Well, this is Duchess in their very well recognised and characteristic pheasant pattern. Quite unusual to find a good sized teapot in good condition in Duchess, because these date as early as the 1940s and 50s right the way up to the 1980s. But this one's in near mint. Let's show you over it so you can make your decision. 2.5 pints, really clean button handle with that little almost Elizabethan button design with the floral elements to it. 2 areas of block transfer print on the lid of the teapot, as you can see. Nice little retaining lip, but just look how clean this is, absolutely in perfect condition. And the teapot itself, let's just point out the gilt decoration on this, because this is what tends to get worn over time, but this one hasn't shown any areas of wear. Bright as the day, it was made all the way around the rim and all the line detailing on that spout. Period Duchess marks on the base in a sort of off black, almost grey. Black crown, established marks from Duchess Bone China, England. Don't really give much away in terms of the dates. That mark was used over a very long period of time. Really nice colourful pheasant, cock and hen pheasant design, front and rear, and in absolutely superb condition. We couldn't find another recent example that's come to the market, so quite a rare piece in good size and shape. They did make a 1 pint smaller version of this, so do check the measurements and dimensions when making your purchase decision. But a rare teapot in fine condition, available from the Vintage and Antiques website. If you follow the link description below, we'll take you through to our website listing. We are listing a very fine large dinner and tea service in Duchess Pheasant. Currently, we'll be coming onto catalogue over the next couple of weeks, so do have a browse through if you're looking for other specific pieces. We may have them or be about to list them. Thanks for watching.